Hello, little learners. Today we are going to start with chapter first, parts of our body. As you all know, our body has different organs. Like machine, it has different part. Our body also have a different parts. And what we call their organs. Like you can see here, hair. This is forehead, eyes, ear, lip, shoulder, elbow, hand, finger. What is this? Knee. This complete is leg, foot or toe. What are these? These are the different parts of the body. So now our body is like a machine. कैसी है machine की तरह? It is much better than a man-made machine. It has many parts which are visible to us and are called external organ. जो भी parts आपको visible है यहाँ पे वो external organ उन्हें आप देख सकते हो. And the part that is not visible and they're inside our body, what we call them internal organ. Right? So first let's see the external organ like head, neck, eyes, nose, hands, stomach and legs. The part which are not visible are called internal parts. Right? Like brain, heart, lungs. We cannot see them, but they work inside our body all the time. Right? So let's see the external part of the body. Head, if we talk about what it is the uppermost part of the body. Uppermost part है front part of the head. जो front part होता है उसको हम face कहते हैं. And the neck helps us to turn left, right, up and down. Next we have chest, which is the front part of our body. From neck to wrist, just above the stomach. What it do? It protects our lungs and heart. Limbs includes arm and palm. And the wrist and the elbow all are all parts. Hands up are upper limbs. We use hands to hold and lift things. We eat the food with the help of hand and we write with the help of fingers. अपने fingers हैं हम, they are of lower limbs. And with the help of legs or feet, we stand, walk, run, jump, climb, dance and play. Next is that is torso. It is the central part of the body which connects our limbs and head. Shoulder, chest, abdomen makes up the trunk of the body. The trunk, what it do? It protects the body like the heart, lungs, liver, kidney, etc. Next is sense organ. How many sense organ do we have? We have 5 sense organ like eyes, nose, ear, tongue and skin. If we talk about eyes, the eyes helps us to see. Eyelids cover the and protect our eye, and eyelashes are hair that grow at the edge of your eyelids. It protects the eyes from dust. Ear helps us to listen the sound. We listen to the people talking and music with our ears. Girls pierce their earlobes to wear earrings. Right? Nose, which helps us to smell different things. It also helps us to breathe in the air. We can smell good and bad thing. और हम smell करते हैं कि whether this thing is good or a smell. Like smell of perfume, it's good. And where the bad smell of garbage when we passes through it is whole smell. Tongue helps us to taste the different kinds of food. It has millions of tiny pores, which is called taste bud. जिससे हम taste करते हैं कि वो salty है, bitter है, right? Whether it is sour, right, or whether it is sweet. We taste with our next is skin, which covers the whole body. It is the largest sense organ. If we talk about, we can feel hot, cold, pain, etc. ये सेंसिटिव होते हैं, इनमें टिनी होल्स होते हैं जिनको हम पोर कहते हैं. It stops dirt and germs from getting in. If we talk about salty water, it is called sweat comes out through the pores of the skin. Our tongue has about 10,000 taste buds. Right? We have internal body parts. First is brain, which is the control center of all the activities. जितने भी हम activities करें उसको control करता है. Right? It controls the station or engine of the body and we receive message from the brain and all sense organs send a message to the brain through the nerves. Heart. It is located in the chest. It pumps blood to different parts of the body. It carries to all the parts and blood carries oxygen and food material. ये किसको carry करता है? Oxygen को और food material को to different parts of the body. Then we have lungs that are the main organ for breathing and what it absorbs air we breathe in और oxygen किसको burn करता है? The food and burns food and gives us energy. Now kidney, what it produces lot of waste material which is harmful for our body. It separates liquid waste from the blood and this is removed from our body as urine. And what do kidneys do? Kidney purifies the blood. And here, kidneys filter about 50 gallons of blood. This is all in this chapter. Hope you understood each and everything. Now we will meet in the next class. Thank you.